Today, we're comparing Simply Book Me and Acuity Scheduling, two of the most popular appointment booking tools for service-based businesses in 2025. Simply Book Me shines when it comes to customization. You can fully brand your booking site, add extra features like coupons, intake forms, memberships, or even a client app. It also supports multiple payment gateways and integrates with Google Meet, Zoom, and more. The free plan is limited and the pricing can get higher as you add more custom features, but the flexibility is solid. Now, Acuity is built for ease. It's super clean, fast to set up, and perfect for solo professionals or small teams. Client can self-schedule, pay in advance, and get automatic email or text reminders. Seamless integrations with Zoom, Google Calendar, Stripe, and more. Custom branding is a bit limited compared to SimplyBook, but you get reliability and speed. If you want deep customization and offer a full client portal experience, go for SimplyBook Me. If you want straightforward booking that just works, Acuity gets the job done beautifully. And that's your 2025 face off.